Hey there, John Armstrong here and welcome back to Stealth. Now in this video we're going to be talking about how to maximize your conversions with the Stealth method. Now this is going to increase your conversions. This is something that I do in my business every time I do a promotion. However, it is an extra step. Now you don't have to do this, but if you find that you want to make even more money from your campaigns, which you might as well, because it only takes a little bit of time, then here's what you need to do. Now what we're going to be doing here is creating a bonus page, and we're going to be putting this bonus page before, so we're going to be sending people to this bonus page from our Google Ads, and then from that bonus page they're going to go on to the sales page. So if you don't have any money to do this, you can use a free website like Wix. The software that I'm actually using to create my bonus pages is called Commission Gorilla version 2, and if you want to do this with Commission Gorilla, it's actually a ton easier. Plus they give you a lot of bonuses as well that you can use for your promotions. If you want to do that, there is going to be a link down below, or a button down below this video, where you can get a $1 trial of Commission Gorilla and you can start using that. But if you don't have the budget for that, that's fine. You can use a simple website like Wix. A free version is obviously not as good. It doesn't look as professional, but if you don't have the budget, then you can at least start off by using this, right? So I'm just going to sign into my Wix account here, and I'm going to create this bonus page. So what you want to do is just create a new site. You're just going to click on business, choose a template, and you're just going to go with blank template over here and then start from scratch. So edit, and what we want to do here is we've already saved a lot of these background images and stuff from the product that we're promoting. So we're just going to click on background, we're going to choose image, we're going to upload media, and we're just going to go and drag this background from Affiliate Pro. We're just going to drag it in there, wait for it to load up, and this is going to be the background of our bonus page. Okay, so we're going to use this background, and then we need a headline. Now we can copy this again from Affiliate Pro. So view the sales page, and we're just going to copy pretty much the exact same headline and go into Wix and choose add text, heading 1. Okay, now we need to edit this a bit to make it look better. I'm going to base this off the color schemes and stuff that these guys are using on the actual sales page. So let's first of all make this font way bigger. Okay, we're gonna align it in the center. Okay, and this first bit, this breakthrough software, needs to be in this yellow color. I use another Chrome plugin which is called Color Pick Eyedropper. If I click on there and just hover over the text, it's going to give me the color code of this particular text. So I've grabbed that, and I'm just going to use that for the first headline here. Color, and I'm just going to drop in that code down there. Won't let me do that. Add color. There we go. Breakthrough software. I'm going to bold that. I'm going to make that a bit bigger as well. The rest of this is white. Okay, so this is starting to shape up a bit. So I'm going to move that right to the top here. And just scroll that down. Make the page a bit bigger. I'm going to add some more text. Actually, no, first of all, I'm going to add in the logo. So I'm going to go image, add an image, my uploads, upload media. I'll go back to the folder where I got the logo in here, this one right here. Drag that in. Okay, double click on there. Cool. Let's make it a bit smaller. Center it. And then underneath here I'm going to add in another headline that says grab Affiliate X Pro now and get all the following bonuses. Okay, now I need to make this pretty big, so I'm going to make this the full width of the page. Okay, and I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Oops. Need to center this and make it bold, and let's make it white. Okay, now I am doing this bonus page on the fly, so I obviously would spend a bit more time doing this. And then we're going to go and grab some bonuses that we can use. Now, what I do when I usually make my bonus pages, and I can show you an example of the exact page that I used for this product. Okay, Affiliate X Pro. So this is the bonus page that I actually made using Commission Gorilla, and as you can see, it's pretty robust. I've got the headline in there, I've got all the buttons, and then I have all of my bonuses here. Now, if you want to use Commission Gorilla and make a very similar bonus page like this, which you can custom edit, then I'll drop down, below this video I'm going to give you an import code, okay? And if you go to Commission Gorilla, you go to My Pages, and you click on Import. So click on Import, you can paste that code right there, and it's going to give you the exact page that I've made with Commission Gorilla right here, that you can go ahead, you can edit, and you can start using, right? If you want to use that, if you want to use my bonus page, you can go ahead and you can do that. That's if you want to use Commission Gorilla. If you're going to use Wix, then you need to make this look pretty good. You need to get some bonuses. You can either make your own bonuses. You can either grab PLR bonuses. So you go to a place like Resell Rights Weekly, resell-rights-weekly.com. This is a membership site, so it does cost, I think, like $12 a month, but they give you access to a ton of digital products which you can give away for free as bonuses. Another option, and I'll leave a link down below to this option, is using a product that me and Brendan launched last month or a couple of months ago, which is called Cash Magnets. Okay, Cash Magnets? I think it was called Cash Magnets. Oh, what was it called? Profit Maximizers. Okay, so that's a collection of over 80 bonuses that you can use, and you can just go and drag and drop those images straight into here. Now, after you've dropped in your bonus images, so whether you're using PLI, whether you're using your own bonuses, or whether you're using these Profit Maximizer bonuses, underneath that you need to add in a button. Okay, so you're going to go to Button, and you're just going to choose the simplest button right here. Now, if we go back to the sales page for Affiliate X Pro, you want to make these buttons the same color as the buttons on the sales page. So again, we're going to use this color pick eyedropper. Going to hover over the button. We're going to grab the color of that button, and we go back to Wix, and we're going to change the color of this button. So the button says grab Affiliate X Pro plus bonuses here. Okay, now we need to change the color of the button, so click on the design button here, custom design, fill and color, and then the color there, we're going to add a color, and we're just going to paste in the color code of that color that we grabbed from the sales page. Now we're going to make this button a bit bigger. Okay, change the text, that's not that one, design, custom design, and what I'm looking for here is to make this bigger. Okay, so font size, okay, So we can change that to about 45 and it's going to make the button a lot bigger. Right, once you've done that, click on the button again, click on change text, and then where does the link go to? So click on there and you're going to choose web address, and then you're going to go and grab your affiliate link for AffiliX Pro. You're going to copy that whole link. Okay, and you're going to paste in your link there, and you're going to choose current window. Okay, so this is going to be our bridge page. So you're going to have the heading there. You're going to have grab AffiliX Pro and get all the following bonuses. You're going to drop in your bonus images there. If I just show you my AffiliX bonus page once again. Okay, so down here where my bonuses are, you're going to see get AffiliX Pro and get all the bonuses below. Then I've got my bonus graphics right here, and then under that I have the buttons. Okay, I have my next bonus graphic, I have another button. I have my next bonus graphic, I have another button. So this is ultimately what you are going to want your page to look like. Now, I'll drop the URL of this page down below this video as well. So if you are using Wix, you can try and model the design of your Wix page on this actual page right here. If you are using Commission Gorilla, then use the import code and you can go into Commission Gorilla. You'll have this exact template that you can just go and edit. So very, very easy. Now, once you've made your website inside of Wix, you're just going to click on publish. You're going to call it AffiliX Pro. Save and continue. Okay, wait for it to finish saving, and then you're just going to click on publish now. Okay, and this, you click on view site, and then you're going to grab this URL. Right now, as you can see, the downside to using a free Wix website is you are forced to use this header in there, which is kind of, I don't know, it doesn't really help, honestly. That's why I use Commission Gorilla instead. But grab the URL, because inside of your campaign, okay, if I just go back to Google Ads, inside when you are creating your campaign, instead of sending your visitors to your affiliate link, okay, inside when we create our ad here, instead of the final URL being your affiliate link, like I told you in one of the previous videos, which is the easy way to do this, if you want to maximize your campaign, you want to send visitors to this bonus page that you've made instead. Okay, so you would drop in the URL of your bonus page instead, and you would use that as your final URL. Now, another downside of using Wix is it's going to have this long website, wixsite.com, in there, which kind of looks unprofessional. If you are using Commission Gorilla, which I suggest you do, after you've finished creating your bonus page, so if you're using the template that I've given you, the import code, when you are editing your bonus page, it's going to look something like this, which is loading up right now. Okay, it's going to look something like this, where you can change, you know, the mock-up of the product you're promoting. You can change any of the text and stuff like that, and you have the same general layout. Once you've finished editing, just wait for it to finish loading. Once you've finished editing, you need to click on save and exit. Right now, once you click on save and exit, it's going to give you this page here. This is the link to the bonus delivery page. So this is what you want to give to your customers after they bought this product from you. The bit that we want to deal with here is this bit here. So it's going to give us a PHP version of the page. You need to click on download. Okay. And then you need to go into your hosting account. So I'm using GoDaddy. If you don't already have a hosting account, go and set one up. Okay, it doesn't need to be, you don't need to have a flashy website or anything like that. Just as long as you have a hosting a site. You're going to go into your account. Okay, and you're going to find your particular hosting. So inside of my products, I'm going to go down to website hosting. I'm going to go to my particular hosting site here. I'm going to click on manage. And what you're doing here is you're going to go to your cPanel. Okay, and inside of your cPanel, you're going to look for your file manager. So load up your file manager for your particular website. You're going to click on public HTML, and then this file that we just downloaded from Commission Gorilla, we're going to click on upload, and we're going to drop that file in there. Okay, so wait for that to load up. Once it's reached 100%, go back. And then you want to open up your website. So for me, it's jono-armstrong.com. Okay, and then if you go back to Commission Gorilla for AffiliX Pro, if we click on Get Page, this is the page extension that we just uploaded. So if we go to our home page and we just press / and then we paste in that extension and we type .php, as you can see, boom, magic, our bonus page is now hosted on our website, which is pretty cool. So all we need to do when we're making our campaign is just to grab this whole URL right here, and when we're creating our campaign, we just drop in this as our final URL. As you can see, it looks very nice. It has our business name in here, jonoarmstrong.com, and when people click on there, it's going to take them through to the bonus page that we created inside of Commission Gorilla. And yeah, that's basically how to maximize your conversions. I know I just threw a ton of information at you just now. The options are there. If you want to do the free version, use Wix. If you want to do the better, more professional version, you need to get Commission Gorilla. There's a link down below. You have my import code, so you can go and use my template that I've given to you. Okay, that's it for this video. Go and watch it a couple of times if you want to go through this again and you really want to understand how this works. You can go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next video.